Welcome to Learn with Rensia, Learning English channel.
On. I put my bag on the table. On. I sit on the chair. Near. I stand near my friend. To. I go to school. From. I come from home. At. I look at the board. With. I write with my pen. From. I drink from the cup. With. I play with my toy. In. I read in my room. You next to. You sit next to me. You too. You walk to the park. You at. You look at the book. You for. You wait for the bus. You from. You learn from the teacher. He under. He puts his shoes under the bed. He behind. He stands behind the door. She in. She keeps her bag in the box. She beside. She sits beside her mother. She into. She walks into the room. We in. We study in the classroom. We on. We play on the ground. We at. We eat at the table. They to. They run to the shop. They near. They sit near the window. It on. It sleeps on the mat. It under. It hides under the chair. My on. My book is on the shelf. My in. My pen is in my bag. My near. My shoes are near the door. In front of. I stand in front of the class. You in. You keep your phone in your pocket. He to. He walks to the office. She at. She looks at the picture. We under. We sit under the tree. They with. They play with the ball. It over. It jumps over the box. My, under. My bag is under the desk. My, beside. My chair is beside the table. My, on. My keys are on the floor.